you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
I alone control the dragons.
No,
Sorry!
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters. Then they'll be crying like babies.
We will take down their alpha. And then we will take Burke.
Heads up!
Dragon Master.
Where have you been?
catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
The Alpha. Now we have a fight.